See how this goes. Oh, no. Alright, today we have the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. Oh my god, I can't read this without. Oh, good song. Yeah. NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. I am so excited. I was able to pick it up as a platinum perk, so it's not out yet. This foundation is exciting because it has so many shades. I think it's 40 or 45. Right, so I have to moisturize really well because it's a matte foundation, and it says it's a 24-hour foundation, and I'm really tempted to just try it out for a whole 24 hours. Should I? I don't want to destroy my skin. yeah, we're gonna do it for the sake of research. Third time's the charm. Okay, I'm not sure if this is it, but that's what we're doing. Not bad for being matte. Don't see any dry patches yet. It seems pretty full coverage. Kinda looking like I'm putting on a mask right now. Alright, let me look really close and see what's happening. For a matte foundation, it really does not look that dry or cakey. Wow. Surprise, there's a spot right here where I don't love the way it looks, but it doesn't look that bad, and a lot of foundations cling right there to this dry spot, so I can't super blame it. Well, whoa, this foundation does not feel like it needs to be set at all. It has completely dried down, and I'm so surprised, but for a matte foundation, I kind of like it. And it hasn't gone into my lash lines right here. Okay, I'm actually excited now to wear for this long and see if it's good. Wow, I'm impressed. I did not think, I thought this was gonna be a disaster. Wow. Alright, well, NYX, you shut me up. That's good. I like it. How this goes. Oh. Oh no. No. Why? Okay. So I must have done something very wrong. Oh, I hope you can see it. Where I tried to blend out the concealer, the foundation is totally gone. And there is a bald spot, like a clear bald spot. Oh, that looks horrible. Wow, no. I'm gonna have to do this all over again. Foundation dried super quickly, and I can't, there's no moving it. Like, it's stuck this way. Nala, stay. Oh, this is a disaster. Oh, I can't spend 24 hours with this on. Oh, no ma'am, no ma'am. Well, now we know. I think you can't put on concealer and then attempt to blend it out. Sorry, I'm trying to fix this thing. And then attempt to blend it out after this foundation has dried down. I guess I waited too long. Yeah, it feels completely dried down. Like I don't need to set it at all. So it kind of seems to me like it would be as if you're putting concealer on top of powder, and like it creates that whole mess. So that's kind of what it looks like. And this is, yeah, you can't save this. This is bad. Well, gonna have to do this bit all over again and be right back. Now, I finally feel extremely hydrated. I got bored, so I did my eyebrows. That's gonna be something else to work around. Let's do this again for the 4th time. It already looks better. Oh yeah, I forgot about concealer. Gotta do this quickly. Can't let like the concealer set on top of it like at all. Blend as soon as you put it down. Alright, Makeup Revolution on top. Doing that. Looks good. Oh crap. Concealer on the other side. Alright, see now that it's set, even just like a little bit more than before is a tiny bit more difficult to blend out. Alright, when it's dried down, definitely don't go in with a wet sponge without any product on it. Like pick a little bit of product up and then go in to fix whatever you are trying to do, because I'm realizing that works a lot. Okay, well, seems like 4th time is the charm. So I'm not gonna set this foundation because it already feels pretty dry, it feels set, and I don't want to make it even more drier, and I don't want to look cakey because it looks pretty good right now. Okay, so now I'm gonna finish the rest of my face, and I will check in a little bit and let you know how that goes. Good morning or afternoon now. I still have this foundation on, which is insane. Please scold me in the comments. I should have washed it off a while ago. It's been way more than 24 hours and this was not necessary because I already knew my final thoughts on this foundation like at hour, I want to say like 10. So I did not need to have it on for this long, but I fell asleep, and so the experiment just kept on going. When I woke up, my skin was feeling pretty dry, and I have a new friend. And that is definitely because of the foundation. This pimple popped up pretty much overnight, and kind of hurts, so it's gonna be a good one. Ugh. This foundation dries down very matte, and I usually like my foundation with some sort of dewiness, so I know this one isn't totally for me, but I already knew that from trying it out. I already knew this was going to be full coverage, and I don't normally love full coverage, and this is going to be totally matte. I normally don't love totally matte, but I still really wanted to try this because if it works on me, then it's probably gonna work on so many people who this is actually meant for, and should probably try it out because there's so many shades. It's so good, and I just want to, I don't know, show off brands that are actually doing something to be more inclusive, and this product seems awesome for its target demographic, which is not me. However, even though it's not me, I'm super impressed with this. Like, foundation usually looks much worse than what this foundation looked like on me yesterday. Even though I felt like I was wearing a lot of makeup, and every time I caught myself in the mirror, I was just like, a little self-conscious about it because I don't normally wear that much makeup. But I still felt pretty good in my skin. I did a lot of setting spray, like a hydrating one, to make sure that I gave it the best chance possible, and it still didn't budge. But that's pretty much all I have to say. I definitely recommend checking it out if you like full coverage foundations. And even if you're kind of a dry skin girl and you want something like that's like super strong. I don't know a way to describe it. I'm like, I don't have the perfect word. It's like extra strength or super, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I would love to say it's too early in the morning for this, but like it's not. It's already 12 p.m. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope if you try this out, please let me know, especially if you have, you know, the right skin type for this kind of foundation. Oh, if you're interested, I'm giving away the Norvina palette right now. Where is it? This baby. My favorite palette at the moment. Best palette to have come out from 2018, I think. in my opinion, and I'm giving it away to one of you guys. So enter, just like, subscribe, comment your IG and something about you in any of the videos that I post until the giveaway is done. And that's it. That's all you gotta do to be entered. I'm sure not that many people are gonna enter, so you've got a really good chance. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope I see you in my next video.